right, in preparation for Memorial Day weekend, I'm also going to show you some interesting cocktail preparations. And I have a few things I'm going to make that work off of a homemade sour mix. And making homemade sour really makes the cocktail all that much better. And it's pretty simple to do. So what I've done here is I've go ahead and made some simple syrup. That's the basic 1 cup of sugar dissolved in 1 cup of hot water. So I put the water in there, get it up to temperature, almost to a boil. Stir in the sugar until it all dissipates. It should be a clear liquid when you're done. And you should end up with about 1 cup of simple syrup. And that goes into our container here. Then to that, we're going to add a cup of lime juice and a cup of lemon juice. I'm going to give that a stir, and then that's going to be the basis for our sours going forward. So I'm going to show you a variation on a whiskey sour type of drink that I like very much in summertime for Memorial Day weekend. It's a great cocktail, and this is going to consist of the sour mix, homemade sour mix I just showed you how to make. And we're going to start with 2 ounces of Jack Daniel's Tennessee whiskey, American original, right over the top of some ice. And we're going to add to that 3/4 of an ounce of Grand Marnier, which is an orange liqueur. And we're going to put a 1/4 ounce of Saint Germain, another French liqueur. And we're going to add 4 ounces of our homemade sour. And go ahead and stir that in this glass first, and then we're going to strain it over ice to serve. And this has got a nice, this is not too strong, it's got a lot of sour mix in it, so it's going to have a nice citrus flavor to it without being too overpowering, so it should be something that a lot of people enjoy, even if they don't necessarily like whiskey. This is not meant to be a heavily whiskey flavored drink at all. Alright, so now we've got it a little chilled down. We're going to go ahead and put it over rocks. And there you have it, beautiful summer cocktail, our take on the whiskey sour.
Downtown, I'm just looking for some touch.